Hello and welcome to our channel where we discuss the latest technological advancements in the automotive industry. In today's video, we will be discussing the role of robots in improving the safety and durability of cars. Car safety and durability are essential factors in the design and manufacture of automobiles. With the advent of robotic technology, the automotive industry has been able to improve car safety and durability by using robots in various stages of production. One of the key benefits of using robots in the automotive industry is their ability to perform repetitive and precise tasks with high accuracy. Robots can perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly with greater precision than human workers, leading to more consistent and reliable results. This improved accuracy translates into higher levels of safety and durability in the finished product. Robots are also able to work in hazardous environments, such as those involving extreme temperatures or exposure to harmful substances. This allows for the use of stronger and more durable materials in car manufacturing, which can improve the overall safety and durability of the vehicle. Another way in which robots are being used to improve car safety is through the use of advanced sensors and cameras. These sensors can detect potential hazards on the road and alert the driver, helping to prevent accidents. In addition, cameras can be used to monitor the behavior of the driver and other vehicles on the road, providing valuable data for the development of autonomous vehicles. In the area of durability, robots are being used to perform stress testing on car components. This involves subjecting the parts to various stress tests to simulate real-world conditions and identify potential weaknesses. By using robots to perform stress testing, manufacturers can obtain more accurate and consistent results, leading to the development of more durable and reliable car components. Furthermore, robots are being used to improve the safety of car maintenance and repair. For example, robots can be used to perform tasks such as tire changes or engine repairs, reducing the risk of injury to human mechanics. In addition, robots can perform diagnostic tests on vehicles, identifying potential safety issues before they become major problems. Overall, the role of robots in improving the safety and durability of cars is becoming increasingly important. By using robots to perform repetitive and precise tasks, manufacturers can ensure the consistent quality of their products. Additionally, robots can perform tasks in hazardous environments and perform stress testing on car components, leading to the development of more durable and safer vehicles. In conclusion, the use of robots in the automotive industry has had a significant impact on car safety and durability. By using robots to perform tasks that are difficult or dangerous for humans, manufacturers can improve the quality of their products and reduce the risk of accidents. As robotics technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advances in the area of car safety and durability. Thank you for watching our video on the role of robots in improving the safety and durability of cars. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest technological advancements in the automotive industry.